Welcome to your beginner-friendly calisthenics workout. No equipment needed. This simple home routine will help you build strength, improve flexibility, and boost confidence using just your body. Whether you're starting fresh or getting back on track, this is your first step toward real fitness. Let's begin your transformation right from your living room. What is calisthenics and why should you start? Calisthenics is a form of exercise where you use your own body weight to build strength, improve flexibility, and increase endurance. Unlike traditional gym workouts, calisthenics does not require any machines or weights. That means you can train anytime and anywhere, at home, in the park, or even in your bedroom. For beginners, this makes it the perfect starting point. You do not need to spend money on expensive equipment or gym memberships. Calisthenics exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks help you build functional strength. That means your body not only looks better, but also moves and performs better in daily life. It also teaches you balance, coordination, and control. As you improve, you can make the exercises harder by adjusting your form or increasing the number of repetitions. If your goal is to get fit and strong using just your body, calisthenics is a great way to begin. Warm up. Prime your body for movement. Before starting any workout, it is very important to warm up your body. A proper warm-up helps increase your heart rate, loosen your joints, and prepare your muscles for exercise. It also reduces the risk of injury. For beginners, a simple 3 to 5 minutes warm-up is enough. You can begin with jumping jacks to get your blood flowing, then do some arm circles to loosen up your shoulders. High knees will activate your legs and improve coordination. Finally, do a few bodyweight squats to wake up your lower body. These movements are gentle but effective. They prepare your body for the main workout without using too much energy. Remember, warming up is not just about movement. It's also about focus. It tells your mind that it's time to exercise. Never skip the warm-up. It is an important part of every successful fitness routine. Push exercises, building upper body strength. Push exercises are great for building your chest, shoulders, and arms. The most common and effective push exercise is the push-up. If you are a beginner, do not worry if you cannot do a full push-up yet. Start with easier versions like knee push-ups, where you keep your knees on the ground. You can also try incline push-ups by placing your hands on a wall, table, or chair. These reduce the pressure on your upper body and help you build strength slowly. Keep your body straight, tighten your core, and lower your chest until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. As you get stronger, move on to standard push-ups. Push exercises are simple but very powerful. They lay the foundation for a strong upper body without needing any equipment. Pull substitutes. No bar, no problem. Pull exercises usually need a bar, but if you are at home without equipment, there are still ways to train these muscles. Pulling movements work your back, biceps, and forearms. One good option is towel rows. Take a strong towel, loop it around a closed door handle, hold both ends, and pull your body slightly backward while keeping your feet planted. Pull your chest toward the door to activate your back. You can also do Superman holds by lying flat on your stomach and lifting your arms and legs off the ground, holding for a few seconds. Another great move is the reverse snow angel, where you lie on your belly and sweep your arms out to the sides in slow, controlled motions. Do each exercise for 10 to 12 reps or hold for 20 to 30 seconds. These simple moves help you build pulling strength without any need for equipment. Core blast, build your midsection. A strong core is essential for balance, posture, and total body control. Calisthenics relies on your core for almost every movement, so building core strength is very important. Start with the plank, keep your body straight, elbows under your shoulders, and hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds. Next, try dead bugs. Lie on your back, raise your arms and legs, and move opposite limbs slowly without lifting your lower back. This builds core control. Then, move on to mountain climbers. From a push-up position, drive your knees toward your chest one at a time. This is great for both your abs and your heart rate. Aim to complete 2 rounds of all 3 exercises, resting 30 seconds between each. These core exercises will help stabilize your entire body and prepare you for more advanced movements later. Leg day at home. Train your foundation. Your legs support your entire body, so training them is very important, even without weights. Bodyweight leg exercises are simple but very effective. Start with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight and lower your body as if sitting in a chair. Go as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground, then return to standing. Next, try lunges. Step 1 foot forward, lower your body until both knees are bent at 90 degrees, then push back to the start and switch legs. Glute bridges are great for your hips and lower back. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and push your hips upward while keeping your feet flat. Lastly, do calf raises by standing tall and lifting your heels off the ground. Repeat each exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps. These movements will strengthen your legs, improve balance, and help prevent injury. Cool down and stretch. Don't skip it. After your workout, it is very important to cool down your body. This helps your heart rate return to normal and reduces muscle tightness. Cooling down also helps prevent soreness and improves flexibility over time. Start with deep breathing to relax, then move into gentle stretches. A forward fold stretch helps release your lower back and hamstrings. Just reach for your toes while keeping your legs straight. A quad stretch targets the front of your thighs. Hold your ankle behind you while standing on one foot. You can also try a seated spinal twist. Sit with one leg bent over the other and gently twist your upper body to the side. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe slowly. Focus on feeling the stretch, not forcing it. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps your body recover and gets you ready for your next workout. How to progress. Turn this into a weekly routine. Starting is just the beginning. To see results, you need to stay consistent and make progress slowly. Begin by doing this workout 3 times a week on non-consecutive days, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As your strength improves, you can add more repetitions to each exercise or increase the number of sets. You can also shorten your rest time between sets to challenge your endurance. You track your progress in a notebook or fitness app so you can see how far you have come. Once basic moves become easy, move on to harder variations like standard push-ups instead of knee push-ups or jump squats instead of regular squats. Always listen to your body. If something feels too hard or causes pain, adjust or rest. Remember, progress takes time. The key is to keep showing up even when it feels tough. Stay patient, stay focused, and your body will get stronger every week. You do not need a gym to get strong, just commitment and consistency. Stick with this routine, track your progress, and keep challenging yourself. Thank you for working out with us today. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more home fitness content. Stay strong.